Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Subham and today we are kicking off our generative AI series with a quick dive into LangChain. So let's get started. What is LangChain? LangChain is a framework in Python using which you can build application around large language model, different AI applications you can build. It simplifies complete process of building an applications by providing different tools and techniques. So you can build applications like chatbot, text summarization, some RAG applications and many more. We will see these in our upcoming videos. So let's deep dive into LangChain. What are the different components available? So there are total of 6 components in LangChain. Model input output, retrievals, agents, chains, memory and callbacks. What is model IO? So for building any applications, you require two things. What is input and one is output. Input is what goes in the LLM model. We call it as prompt. And based on the prompt, LLM model will produce some output. So this input and output we can handle using LangChain. So LangChain provides some functions using which you can interact with the LLM model. Let's see them. So here we are using OpenAI model as it is like very easy to use. We will see different models in our upcoming videos. So for using OpenAI model you need key, your API key for OpenAI. So you can create this API key very easily. Just go to OpenAI platform and log in using an email ID and there is an option you can create that key. Just copy paste that key here and you are good to go. Now here we are importing few functions from LangChain. These are like chat OpenAI, then human message, AI message, system message and then prompt template. What are these? Chat OpenAI. Chat OpenAI is my LLM model itself. Here if you see we are creating an object chat of the LLM model and we will utilize this. Then we have human message, AI message and system message. Human message is whatever input, query, questions we are passing to the LLM model, that is prompt. Then we have AI message. AI message is the response of that LLM model. And then system message. System message is you are giving some context that you are a very polite LLM model, so it will generate responses like that. You are very rude LLM application, so it will generate responses like that. So let's see some examples how we can interact with OpenAI model. So chat is my OpenAI model object. Here we are passing human message. The human message is, can you tell me a fact about Bollywood? Now let's see what is the result it is producing. So one interesting fact about Bollywood is that it is the largest film industry, so on and so forth. Now here using the result.content, you can pre-process that output and get a string out of that by removing this AI message and anything around the result. Now just see how using system message we can change the way LLM is producing the output. See here we are passing system message as, you are a very rude AI chatbot who only wants to party and not answer questions. Now if you see human message is same, can you tell me a fact about Bollywood? Now see the output, sorry I am not interested in sharing facts right now, let's talk about something more exciting. So see now the chatbot is very rude, it is not giving you correct output whatever you require. So using this system message you can manipulate the behavior of LLM model. Now prompt template. Prompt template is like one of the super powerful function of LangChain. Here if you see, tell me a fact about, this is fixed thing. This will not change. Only thing will change is topic. Based on the user's query, using the same template, we can produce output again and again. So see how we can utilize this. So here input variable is topic. Now here again we are importing few functions. These functions are human message prompt template, system message prompt template, chat prompt template. It is nothing but handling a wrapper on this human message, AI message, system message. Let's see how we can create this human message prompt based on this prompt template. So whatever is the prompt, we are just passing it to human message prompt template, and it will produce a human message prompt with the variable topic. Now we need to create this chat prompt template. So we are passing this human message prompt to the chat prompt template, and focus here, this is a list. So here you can pass multiple human messages. Now my chat prompt template is ready. So here we are passing that to the OpenAI LLM model, and this is the output it is generating. Now this topic you can easily change. Instead of Bollywood you can just write AI and it will produce you some different output. So next component of LangChain is retrieval. So what is retrieval? Retrieval, you can think of, you have your own private data, and now based on that private data you want to build LLM applications. In this case we need retrieval, because retrieval has many great functionalities using which you can easily pass your data to the LLM model and get some output. We'll see retrieval is like very powerful. Retrieval, agents and chains are like three most powerful component of LangChain. We'll see how to build, how to use retrieval, agents and chains in our upcoming videos. So next component is agents. So agents is a component in LangChain that has access to a set of tools and that can decide which tool to use based on the input prompt. Let's suppose as LangChain, as LLM model don't have access to internet. So in agents we have web browser as a tool available. So based on the query, if the based on the query, it will check whether it needs to search something on the web or not. If yes, then it will go on the web, it will search that particular query and produce your output like that. We'll see an example. For simplicity, let's take an example that we have two types of agent available, multiplication and addition. And now your prompt is, what is the sum of 10 and 20? Now based on the prompt, this agent will automatically decide that it needs a sum function. So it will just trigger that addition functionality and produce the output. Let's see an example how here we can utilize. Again we are importing few different functionalities, load tools, initialize agent, agent type, OpenAI model. So here again I am creating an object of chat OpenAI model, that is LLM. LLM math you can think of as calculator. Now here we are initializing agent. For initializing agent we need to pass few things. Things are tools, what are the tools available, LLM, that is your OpenAI model, then type of agent. There are different type of agent. Simplest one is zero shot description. So agent.run, what is 134292 times this. So here if you see, entering an agent executor chain, I need to multiply this and this. Action is calculator, so it is able to detect what kind of LLM tool it needs. Now action is this. Now here if you see, this is just producing the output and this is the final output. Now instead of LLM math you can use different kind of tools available. Few tools are like web browser, your mail, then Google Drive and many things available. You can just utilize and do different kind of automation. Our next component is chains. What is chains? Chain serves as wrapper for various components in LangChain library. It is used for building complex applications by combining different components together. So let's suppose we have two tasks. One is summarization task and then we have translation task. So what we can do is, in a single prompt we can do everything around summarization, and in a different prompt we can do everything around translation, and using chain we can connect these two things and build a single application. Let's see how we can do this. So again, here we are importing few functions from the LLM model, from the LangChain. These are like, first is my LLM model, then template is give me a sample bullet point outline from a blog post. Topic is a variable again. Then template is translate these outline in French. So here if you see, this is content generation and this is translation. So two different functionalities we have. We have created chain 1 and chain 2 out of this. And again here, in using this simple sequential chain, that is run these things one after other, we are creating one single application, chain 1 and chain 2. So first it will do whatever is required for chain 1, then again based on the output of chain 1 it will trigger the chain 2, and finally you will get the final output. So here if you see full chain dot run, here we need to pass the variable. This variable is topic, so that topic is my data science. So here it is entering in a simple sequential chain. So here it has generated the content, introduction, what is data science, application of data science, and so on. So here it has done the translation part. So it has done the translation and now finish chain. So this is your final output. See how simple it is. So using this chain you can build complex applications by like connecting 10-20 chains together. Memory is simplest in all. Memory provides ability to store information about past. So let's suppose, and let's take an example of chatbot. Now in chatbot, that chat can be of any length, and that time frame can be anything. Let's suppose you want to retrieve a 1 month old chat. Now in LLM model you cannot do that because it has fixed set of tokens. But if you provide a memory capability to that LLM model, then it can track back anything. So let's see how to utilize this memory. So chat OpenAI, again we are importing, then conversation chain, then conversation buffer memory we are importing. Using this conversation buffer memory, we are creating a memory object, and now in conversation chain we are passing few different things, LLM model, memory, and this verbose is equal to true will show you the interaction, what is happening inside your function. So here we are doing conversation dot predict, hello, nice to meet you. Now here if you see, these things are happening, entering in conversation chain, prompt after entering, the following is a friendly conversation, whatever, and this is your chat. Human, hello, nice to meet you. AI, hello, nice to meet you too, I am an AI trained, and these things. Conversation dot predict, again if you see, tell me about Albert Einstein in 10 words. So here if you see, this is your old conversation, and on top of that you have done one more thing, that is tell me about Einstein later in 10 words. So if you just rerun this again and again, it will store everything, whatever is the conversation, it will keep on adding. Now in conversation dot memory, if you see, everything is there, whatever is the interaction between you and the chatbot, the LLM model. Now you can dump this memory in a binary file using pickle, and again you can load it back. So everything will be in place. Now here if you see, I am just dumping this conversation object in a pickle file, memory.pickle. I am again loading it here, and here I am passing in the memory again. So if you see, again everything, whatever is the interactions we have done in the past is here. So again tell me more about him. If you see, this is the new prompt. Now it will able to guess that him is nothing but Albert Einstein. So this is the power of memory. Okay. So our last component is callbacks. Callbacks is used for logging purpose. So while building the applications, at different point you can just give a logging statement that will tell you that your application is running fine, and you can debug that what is the error, if there is some error, what is the error, and so on. So this is all about LangChain overview. In our next videos we will see how using these different components we can build different kind of applications like text summarization or some RAG application. So thank you.